Hello dear, Assalamualaikum. My name is Raja Mansumlo. Today I will teach you that how to create a basic template into Visual Studio for HTML. So first of all you have to open the Visual Studio file, and after that you have to create a new file with the help of Control N, and then you have to save the file first with the help of Control S. After that you have to select the location where you want to save the file. I'm going to save this file on the desktop, so I select the desktop and then click the options and select then all files. Now I am going to write the name of the file. The name of file is index.html. This is done. Save. Okay. Index 5 index5.html. Set. So first of all you have to write the HTML, after that head and then body. Now here you can write any type of code which you want to show in the website. So first of all I am going to here write the heading 1. So I will write h1 tag, and the message is welcome to the technical information hub. Control S, and now I am going to the desktop and I will play the my file. This will loading. Look at the file, this is ready. If you want to change something, then you have to open another tag with the help of headings. You can add headings from 1 to 6. Now I am going to start the heading 2. This is the basic code of HTML to open a text. Control S and then reload the file. This is ready. Thank you very much.